AI is replacing jobs faster than anyone expected. But here's what most people don't realize. AI is also creating brand new opportunities to earn money online, with zero tech experience. In this video, I'll show you exactly how people are making $5,000 to $20,000 per month in 2025 using AI tools. No coding, no degree, no complicated setup required. This is the future of work, and you're not late. Let's dive in. Welcome to Compound Vision, the channel where we uncover future-proof ways to build wealth. If you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind and want to build income streams using smart tools, hit that subscribe button. Let's break down the most profitable AI side hustles you can start right now. One of the fastest growing income streams in 2025 is launching a faceless YouTube channel using AI. You don't need to show your face, use your voice, or even edit the videos yourself. AI tools like ChatGPT can write your scripts, 11 Labs can generate voiceovers, Pictory and Sora can create video content, and Canva can help with thumbnails. Channels like these are making $3,000 to $15,000 a month with high RPM niches like finance, tech, AI, and productivity. Freelancers are using AI to earn more in less time. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are filled with clients looking for blog articles, social media posts, ad copy, video scripts, and you can use tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, and ChatGPT to deliver these fast. Some freelancers earn $100 to $300 per project by simply prompting the right AI tools. No writing background needed. Just understand how to format and deliver content. Email newsletters are booming again, and AI makes running one easier than ever. Platforms like Beehive and Substack let you build and monetize your own publication. AI tools help with daily content creation, audience targeting, and even email subject line optimization. Topics like tech news, finance trends, and productivity tips attract high-value audiences and advertisers. You can earn from sponsorships, paid subscriptions, or affiliate marketing. This is a hidden gem, AI-powered drop servicing. It works like this. You sell a digital service like video editing, voiceovers, or article writing on your own site or marketplaces. When someone orders, you fulfill it instantly using AI tools. For example, someone pays you $100 for a script, and you generate it in 10 minutes with ChatGPT. You're acting as the middleman, delivering quality work without doing it manually. The margins are huge. Combine AI tools with affiliate marketing and you have a long-term passive income machine. Use AI to write blog posts, generate YouTube video content, or create TikTok scripts that recommend high-ticket products. Focus on niches like finance tools, investing platforms, productivity apps, or AI software. Every sale you refer earns you a commission, and this works while you sleep. We're living through one of the biggest shifts in how people work and earn money. AI isn't just a buzzword anymore, it's a tool you see.